Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. My name is Shirlene, and I'm here to put you on game if you haven't already been on it. So a little bit about me. I actually started with Scrum Master Champions a little over a year ago. I did my own research. Okay. Nobody actually ever made a video, or I didn't see any reviews, that actually encouraged me to go with Scrum Master Champions under Coach Anna. However, I did my own research and she came highly recommended just based on what I read and what I was looking for. I was looking for a coach that could constantly give me that knowledge to grow, continuous learning. I was looking for a program that could give me that. I was looking for a program that could mentor me, that could give me a community filled with networking opportunities. And I found it. Okay. The only thing is I had to trust the process and be invested, knowing exactly why I was actually taking the program in the first place and actually why I wanted to excel. Those two things basically made it possible for me once I started to believe in myself. Now, regardless of your level of experience, you cannot fail in this program, okay? It meets you wherever you are, whether it's at an entry level, okay, and you are just getting to know Scrum and learning the roles and responsibilities of a Scrum Master. This is the place that's going to give you clear, concise, and accurate information. And if you are already in the role, but you just need that extra oomph, to be recognized more, how to be a better coach, a better mentor to your team, a better overall servant leader, this is the place that coaches you and actually provides you a plethora of great resources that will strengthen you in your role. Okay. I'm glad I actually did the research myself, and I'm glad I trusted the process. So I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know where you are heading next year, but I hope it is in a better position that will prosper you and that will actually give you that work-life balance and that pay that you deserve. So contact Anna Bingham